Hey there! Welcome to Gist with Demoski. If you'd like to get updates on movies, songs, and reality TV, shows like Big Brother Naija, make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn post notification on.
So, it is no news, guys, that Pere banned White Money from cooking in the house. And since then, housemates have not been eating well, and also they've not been managing their food very well. Pere says he feels it is White Money's strategy to cook for the housemates to get their favor so they won't nominate him up for eviction. This night, Nini cannot take it anymore as she pours out her mind to Maria and Pere and says if cooking is White Money's strategy, then they are fine with it. That he should keep cooking for them because they are hungry. Remember, guys, during her diary sessions this afternoon, she complained to Big Brother that Pere is being dictative and that he thinks White Money's strategy is to cook and all of that. So she complained to Big Brother that White Money should resume his work in the kitchens and that the housemates have not been eating well.
Strategy is fine. If we don't get to nominate you, it's fine. It's fine. Play your game. He's playing his.
Okay, so he's playing his game. He's broken that strategy. He's broke the strategy and took him out of the kitchen so other people can work.
Okay, but how we want it? We're not eating
one person's taste.
I want people. Okay, which one you don't chop, Maria? You get chop, so White Money go. We know they chop. What do you chop?
Every day we eat.
I haven't eaten this all day. Yesterday, the only thing I ate was sleep. My stomach. You're not. It's not. It's not my business. I find it easy. I really find it. If it's the strategy, my point is that if it's the strategy, so what? He's working hard for his fucking strategy. We all have a fucking strategy.
So now, this night, when after their presentation, Smith had a meeting, and then Pere was still insisting that White Money would not cook in the kitchen and that he does not want kitchen monopoly. He wants the housemates to have the chance to cook in the kitchen, and he does not want only White Money to cook. And then later, Nini got angry and said, you see, if this is White Money's strategy, then yes, we are fine with it.